This is the story of Gerald, the most amazing boy around.
When other kids spoke words,
he only made this sound.
Gerald, McBoing, boing. Gerald, McBoing, boing. He makes all kinds of sounds, whistles, honks, and chirps. His dog, he never barks, but watch out when he barks. Gerald, McBoing, boing.
Guess the sound.
sound check!
Hey, you want me to win one of those for you? No problem. All I've got to do is knock those bottles down twice, and the big prize is yours. Watch me now. Yes! Woo, that's good for a small prize. I'll knock them over again, and the big one is ours. Are you okay? Okay, sounds or not, I'm gonna win us something. Well, I told you we'd win something, right?
Guess the sound.
Sound check! Hello? 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 Hello?
Stop ringing my phones, please.
Thank you.
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend, but the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is the story of a dragon who shot big flames from his mouth, which were smelly and hot.
Hey, cut that out!
But when they pulled on his leash, those flames just shot higher, and that poor neighbor's roof kept catching on fire.
That's it. I have had it. I just have to speak. Your dragon burned my house down 3 times in 1 week.
Sorry,
Said its owner.
my dragon is sickly. I called the pet doctor. He said he'd come quickly.
Cried the doc as he jumped from his wagon. Could he find a cure for a fire-breathing dragon?
Oh, not again.
Within a few minutes, the doctor climbed out.
You did it. You fixed him. The fire is out.
She said with a shout. There was only one thing the pet doc had forgotten. That dragon's breath was still smelly and rotten. It shriveled the trees and it wilted the flowers.
Change him back.
Cried the neighbors after just a few hours. They had even more problems. They wanted to toast some marshmallows for their big marshmallow roast.
We can't play with matches. The dragon, you see, always lit our fires and did it easily.
Now this village is filled with hot flames and warm laughter. And the folks in this tale all lived happily ever after.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Gerald, do you hear that phone ringing? Hello? Uh-huh. Yes, he's right here. One moment, please. It's for you. Something's just not great about this, and I don't know what.
Oh! Elephant stampede! Quick, everyone in the house!
Honey, that was just Gerald.
It was? I mean, yes, of course. I knew that. Nice sounds there, Gerald. I could have sworn there was a herd of elephants charging right through our backyard. Death! We're under attack by Vikings! Vicious warriors with swords and shields and... I get it. It was just Gerald again. By the way, love that Viking helmet. I know. It's just Gerald.
Actually, not this time, dear. I think you should really move.
Nice try, but sounds or no sounds, I'm staying put.
Hold that pose, honey. Now that's great.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Well, hey there, little fella. You like that there fancy car, do you? Say hello to a goodbye. Ooh, it's loaded with gadgets. It even works on both land and underwater.
Great!
Plus, it's got a blast-off seat. Push a button, it launches you right out of the car. I'm not sure why, but some people like that.
Well, that's a very nice car, but we're looking for more of a safe and reliable family car.
I've got exactly what you're looking for. Right this way. Try this one. It's called the Dulles de Ville. Just start her up and listen to that quiet engine.
That doesn't sound all that quiet to me.
I don't understand. Well, maybe we should try another model. I know this car is fine. I drove it to work today myself.
It sounds like the tires are leaking air.
No problem. There, the leak stopped. Now, I'll just get in and...
Are you sure that's safe?
Of course! All I did was put extra air in the tires.
It turns out this was the safest and most reliable car after all.
Hey, what's this big red button do?
Wait, that's for the blast-off seat.
Hey, I can see our house from here! Race you home!
Sound check.
Sound check!
The moose. Its mighty call always attracts other moose.
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend. But the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is a story of a boy who would play with all the town puppies all night and all day.
Woohoo!
He loved puppies so much, he thought 'twould be fun if one day, in some way, he could turn into one. Then one day, a new puppy arrived with a trick. She went up to the boy and she gave him a lick.
Huh? What?
And then something happened. The boy started changing. Suddenly, parts of him were rearranging. Soon, all the puppies got quite a surprise. He turned into a puppy in front of their eyes. The boy couldn't believe it. His wish had come true.
Hey, Magic Puppy, I'm grateful to you.
At first, he thought being a puppy was cool. He dug holes and chewed bones and did not go to school. But there was one problem. Eating dog food was tough.
Ew. Have you ever tasted this stuff? I need that Magic Puppy to come back, and then she can turn me back into a boy once again.
His friends tried to help him. They all looked around, but that magic puppy just couldn't be found. Then that boy's best friend made some sounds that he knew all pups love to hear. At least most of them do. Every puppy in town ran to him in a pack. And that magic puppy, she also came back.
Hey, puppy, could you help us and do another magic trick? Turn him back to a boy, please. Just give him a lick.
Would she do it? That puppy just stood there and stared.
Puppy, please.
Begged the boy. He was feeling quite scared. The boy was so happy, but then he said, please.
Could you scratch behind my ears? I think I have fleas.
Ew!
The moose. Its mighty call always attracts other moose.
Just one more card on the chimney, and it'll be done.
Oh no, the lion escaped from the zoo and is now driving that train.
Can you please keep the noise down?
Yeah, Gerald. Can you make sounds that are, I don't know, a little more soothing?
Something like birds. Quiet birds.
The giant bird looks angry. It won't let us near its nest.
But we need to get the golden egg as part of our complete breakfast.
Okay, maybe not birds. How about something even more gentle?
And quiet.
Like a nice soothing rain shower?
How about I break out some of my famous blueberry muffins?
Sir, we're on TV. What do you think of the storm?
I'd say it's raining cats and dogs.
Why do you say that?
I just stepped in a poodle.
You're right, honey. These muffins are great.
What's that? I can't hear you. I have muffins in my ears.
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
What?
Guess the sound.
Sound check.
Boing, 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 boing.